Today we have an iPhone SE 2020. We will reball the A13 Bionic chip or CPU. Let's go into deep dive after the intro. Remove the motherboard from the phone body. Remove the CPU shield. Now go to microscope view. Removing CPU from motherboard through the hot gun. Cleaning motherboard connectors. Cleaning CPU connectors. Installing the CPU to the motherboard. Assembling motherboard. Assembling display panel. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment in the comment section.